Hey, it's Morgan from WTI, and I love these Diamond Dazzle Stiks from Connoisseurs. This diamond cleaning stick is one of my favorite products of all time. This thing is so cool. I've been recommending it to everybody. It is amazing because it's a ring cleaner on the go, or other jewelry as well. If you have a stone, this can so easily clean that up. You just twist it, and the ring cleaning solution comes out, and it just shines your rings like no other. It is so amazing. You can use the bristles to get into those little hard to reach spaces, and it can really make your jewelry shine and stand out and look the same as it did when you first got it. I really love this so much. You can take it anywhere. I have one in my purse all the time, or if I'm traveling or going to the beach or something like that, it can be easy for your rings to get a little dirty or even just lose that shine that you love. And these cleaning sticks are so perfect because you can clean it anywhere you are. If you just wet it a little bit, bring out that solution, shine it up, it's beautiful. I use these all the time. I definitely recommend this product, and that's my point of view.